Hello friends, welcome to Karash Academy. So now I'm going to tell you about Ohm's law, the easiest law known. So this is nothing but just electric current directly proportional to the potential difference, that is I directly proportional to V. Now just hear the statement carefully. So according to Ohm's law, the electric current passing in a conductor or passing through a conductor or a wire is directly proportional to the potential difference between the ends of the wire connected to the terminal at particular temperature. Now you must be surprising that why I said at particular temperature, because there are many factors which affect this, therefore I said this. So now just listen. I directly proportional to V can also be written as V directly proportional to I. Now as we know to remove the sign of proportionality, we use a constant. So here we removed it, and R is a constant, and equal sign gets here. So V is equal to R times I. So this is the main formula for Ohm's law. Now V is equal to R times I can also be written as R is equal to V by I. By rearranging it, now just listen me closely. Since R is a constant, as we put it here, therefore V by I is also constant. So this you should remember nicely, that R is equal to V by I is equal to constant. Now what is R? What is R? So R is resistance. R is your resistance. So what is resistance? Here is the most easiest definition. How much charge flow is impeded? Impeded. So what is impeded? Impeded is stopped, not stopped. It's making something slow, but it is moving. So charge flow. So charge here is impeded, not stopped. The charge is made slow. So this is what Ohm's law is. Till here we have done. Now, if you will look at this, V is equal to Ri can also be rearranged as I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. So this is the formula for electric current. I is equal to V by R, and also we know I is equal to Q by T. So from this, let it be equation number 1, let this be equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we see that V by R is equal to Q by T. So this is just a very simple derivation. Just no need to remember it, but you can take it for your example. Now friends, if you will observe this, you will get that I, which is electric current, is directly proportional to V. As we know, okay? And I is inversely proportional. I is inversely proportional to R. Okay, to R. So if you will know these two things also, I directly proportional to 1 by R, and I directly proportional to V, then by combining this you can write I is equal to V by R. So I just have to told in here that I is directly proportional to V, potential difference, and I is inversely proportional to R, that is your resistance. Now what does this mean? What does that mean? Now since I is directly proportional to V, so when V, that is the potential difference, is double, I also get double. When becomes 1/4, I also becomes 1/4, because they are directly proportional. Now now I is inversely proportional to R. This means that when R is double, I is halved. When R is halved, R is double. Okay, so this is what Ohm's law is. Now friends, resistance, as we know, resistance is equal to resistance is equal to V by I, potential difference by electric current. So um, resistance, the SI unit for resistance is ohm. Yes, ohm is ohm, denoted by Greek letter omega. So here you can see R, that is ohm, 1 ohm. So 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt, that is V, by 1 ampere. So if you are asked what's 1 ohm, what's the quantity of 1 ohm, then you can say that it's volts per ampere. Now let's solve a very very simple numerical. Yeah, it's very very simple. So the question is that a simple electric circuit has a 24-volt battery and a resistor of 60 ohms. So we have got 24. Whenever you will hear volts, it is always potential difference. So V is given, that is potential difference is given 24 volts, and the resistance is given 60 ohms. 60 ohms denoted by omega here. So 60 ohms, and then what will be the current in the circuit? So here we have to find I, which is current. So let's write it. So resistance is equal to V by I, as we know. So resistance is given 60 volt. V is potential difference is given 24. Let's give its SI unit to it. Here volts by I that we don't know. Now, now I is equal to 24 by 60. I is equal to 24 by 60, 24 volts by 60 ohms, So then I will be equal to, let's just divide it. So we will get 0.4 volts per ohms, and the SI unit for this electric current is ampere. So 0.4 by ohms. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 volt. So 1 ampere is equal to 0.4 volt by ohms. Okay, by ohm. It's not 1 ampere, is this quantity that we have to find in this numerical. So hope you liked it. Then please subscribe, follow Crush Academy, and wait for the next episode.